Alright, another product up for review and also unboxing is this Aduro grip clip universal car mount. It's designed to mount on any surface in your car without having to put on your windshield. It goes up to about 5.5 inch screen. So I might demonstrate using my phone I just bought today, which is the Acatel A30 Fierce phone. Now what's cool about this device is, without me using the air vent clips that I've been using all this time to mount my navigation device in my car, I'm going to try something a little bit different. And this product claims to work on just about any surface, including drywall. Well, I'm not going to use my drywall for this test. I'm going to use this old multi-purpose table that I used to do my product reviews and also work on my computers, and also have, which also serves as a laptop table too. So without further ado, I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to demonstrate how to use this product. Well, first, before we do that, let's open up the box and see what's inside. Yeah, it's kind of hard with one hand to do while holding the video. Okay, of course you get your mounting stand, all the packing material that comes with it. Excuse me, pardon me. And inside the box you get some materials for you to register it, I guess for product warranty, if it'll come out. Yeah, you like to force things in these boxes, huh? Well, you get the picture. It says follow us on, let's see, what does this say? Follow us online for new products and giveaways at Aduro Products. You can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pin It, Snapchat, and YouTube. So, well, here it is. I guess they want us to take a photo or video or whatever, so to enter into some contest. So hopefully this will make it through the entry. So I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to demonstrate how to use it in just a moment. Please stay tuned. Okay, now I have the product outside the box and unwrapped. So before you even use it, you got to remove this, I guess, protective cover that comes with it. Now this product claims to work on drywall. Like I said, I'm not going to use the drywall or my walls here for demonstration purposes. I'm going to use my table that I do my product reviews on. So I'm just going to simply mount it on like so. And to further mount this device to the table, you simply put down this latch. That should snap into place. Well, look at that. There's a little bit of movement because maybe the surface is a bit rough, but it does stand up. But I wouldn't put this on your wall. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to try to mount this Acatel phone onto the stand. It may stand up, it may fall down. We shall see. Hold on for just a brief moment. As you can see, it does hold up this phone quite well. I'm very impressed. Wish I had an extra $7.99, which I paid for today at Microcenter for $7.99. And folks, it does claim to hold up this device very well, as you can see. And I'm just swiveling it around. Now, there may be some weight to it because this device is kind of heavy. So it does hold up well. And I really want it for is this view here. I might have to tighten it in the back a little bit to get it to stay. It's going to fall flat, but it's all right. And it's on this table, as you can see, not very sturdy. It does hold up well. It won't fall because it's, like I said, the surface is pretty rough. But I'm going to try it in my car and see if it sticks to the surface well. Well, so much for claims, but it's okay. Anyways, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and check you guys later. Take care.